Hey everyone! Welcome to the channel. Today, we'll learn how the style reference works in Sketch to Image. We'll start by uploading a simple sketch or drawing one ourselves. Now let's enter a prompt and generate the image. The result looks good, but it's missing that extra artistic flair we want. Now, let's use the LightX style reference feature. I'm going to pick this image as our style reference, something with vibrant swirling hues. We'll set the strength scale to 100 and generate. Look at that! The colors and composition perfectly reflect the style we were aiming for. Let's see what happens when we reduce the slider. I'll set it to 45%. Notice how lowering the slider reduces the style's influence. The swirling hue effect is still there, but it's less detailed. This is perfect if you want a subtle blend while keeping some of the original image's features. Now, let's experiment by taking the slider all the way down to 5%. As you can see, at such a low strength, the result is almost similar to the image without any style reference. The lesser the style strength, the less influence the reference image has. Finally, let's compare the results. As you can see, the image with the maximum style strength has all the complete details and colors, while the lower strengths gradually lose the reference's influence and respect the prompt.